Hey guys, what's going on? Just a little update on this barbecue pit I've been doing. So this one right here, we got the tables on it. I don't know if y'all have seen it since this. What we got going on. Sorry about the air compressor being on. So tomorrow, probably won't record any of it, just trying to get it done. So I got this right here. This is the wheels for this side. Of course, the table would be down when you are moving this, so you can move it any way you want. You know, it's pretty easy. But like I said, will be down. Table down. Now we can take this out, and you can pick the table back up and do your grilling. Battery's about to die on the camera. Probably got about a minute left. So this is where it's at so far. Tomorrow my goal is to get the cover for the vent, or for the smokestack. Cover the tables with the grate, both tables. I don't even think y'all can see me, but that's okay. Light. So finally got this pit right here finished. I know y'all can't see it. I'll probably get some better footage tomorrow. But right now we're seasoning it for the customer. Just some charcoal. Looks pretty cool in the camera. Just some regular old charcoal briquettes. We got the whole pit oiled down. Not the outside. Outside's painted. Inside's oiled. Everything's oiled down. I got this temperature gauge right here, and there's one on the door. See a little shiny spot right there. But I got this one in here so I can move it around and see what temperature everything is, and let them know how well it's circulating and whatnot. It's got a double baffle in it. One goes about a quarter of the way over. One goes half, and the other one goes about a quarter. So fireworks, yeah. So I'm gonna be sitting out here for a little bit, drinking a beer and just shooting the shit. And watching this, making sure it doesn't walk off. But figure y'all could join me, come along for the ride, I guess. It's my first finished pit at the house. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Looks cool. Hopefully it functions as well as it looks. It's got 2 tables on it. One right here in front. One over on the side. The charcoal looks good enough to throw in there, but we're going to give it a few more minutes. Sorry this build really didn't get a whole lot of decent footage, but it's kind of hard trying to get the pits done and get a little bit of footage here and there, and then my battery dies and I gotta charge it and whatnot. But I'll get some more footage on this big one that I gotta modify it some. Gotta cut the doors and do some other stuff to it to make it seal a little better. But that customer is supposed to be here on Thursday, and then this customer is supposed to come pick this one up tomorrow. And I got another one over here that I can show y'all real quick. I have no footage of this one. It's just a quick. This one right here is going to be an open top, like a, I don't know what they're called, but it's going to have a winch on it to pull the table up and food on it and whatnot. But I think I'm going to cut it a little bit to make it a little bit shallower, because I don't like how deep the coals would sit in there. And he said he didn't want it to hold like really heavy, so it's really thin gauge material. I think the plate that I put in the center of it's gonna be a 1/4 inch, but I'm not 100% sure on that yet. Depends on what he wants, I guess. But